Hi, how to make drop shadows. So you're gonna grab some markers and just write out a word, and you wanna imagine that there is a light source coming from the left hand side, and then you are just gonna grab a lighter color and draw a line on the right side as like bottom on front of every stroke. You wanna leave a little bit of gap. I hope that makes sense. Thanks for watching. So there my another shadows creating video. Here you I hope understand how I do this. So keep watching till the end. Thank you.